Hello, students. I am teacher Moshumi, and today I am going to give you the concept of time. We all know that time is very important in our life. We read the time from a watch or a clock. In maths, time can be defined as the ongoing and continuous sequence of events that occur in succession from the past through the present to the future. Time is used to quantify, measure, or compare the duration of events on the intervals between them and even sequence events. Here, a child's daily routine events have been put in sequence according to the time at which they are done. We measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years with clocks and calendars. A day has 24 hours. We use AM to tell time running from midnight to noon and PM for the time running from noon to midnight. We measure and define what time of the day it is using clocks. A clock in general has 12 numbers written on it from 1 to 12. It has an hour hand and a minute hand. The time is usually based on 12-hour clock. Parts of a clock. Hour hand. Small hand tells the hour. Minute hand. Larger hand tells the minute. Each thick line is 1 minute. There are 5 minutes between each number. The big hand is very busy, but the small hand has power. The large hand counts the minutes, but the little one names the hour. Telling time. Look at the small hand. It's called the hour hand. Look at the last number the hand passed. Say the number and then look at the minute hand. Step 2. Big hand, it's called the minute hand. Start at 12 and count by 5s. If it's on the 12, just say o'clock. If it's on the 6, just say 30. Telling time to the 5 minutes. Step 1. Look at the clock shown below. The hour hand is beyond 4 and the minute hand is at 7. The minute hand at 7 shows 35 minutes have passed. As we all know, the minute hand moves from one number to the next number on the clock dial in 5 minutes. So we say the time is 4:35 or 35 minutes past 4. Telling time to the hour. Notice the hour hand and the minute hand carefully in the clock shown. The hour hand is between 3 and 4. And the minute hand is at 6. The minute hand at 6 shows 30 minutes have passed as the minute hand moves one number to the next number in 5 minutes. So we say that the time is 3:30 or 30 minutes past 3 or half past 3. All about time. The short hand is the hour hand. The long hand is the minutes hand. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 30 minutes equals a half hour. On a digital clock, o'clock, half past the hour is 30. The hour hand is between two numbers when it is the half hour. We measure time using clocks, analog clock and digital clock. In analog, we can see the minutes hand, hours hand and face of the clock. But digital clock, we can see the time directly. Let us recapitulate. This is a clock. It tells us the time. The face of the clock is called the dial. We see two hands on this clock. The long hand is called the minutes hand and the short hand is called the hour hand. We see the number from 1 to 12 on the face of a clock. Thank you.